Kailan last mong ligo? Kanina. Akala ko kanina, last week pa pala. Fresh ka ba today? Yes!
Oh my God, parang perfect gawin to kila mama tsaka kuya. Let's go. Mama, kuya! Mama, kuya, hello! O, anak, bakit? May random questions na ang isasagutan natin is yes or no. Yes, you heard it right. You just have to be honest. So, may random question and then mag-i-stop siya, babasahin mo, then you just have to answer yes or no. Just be honest. Tapos, kung hindi ka magiging honest, may filter doon na parang mag-ground ka, may effect na parang mag-ground ka. And then, kapag ka nagsasabi ka naman ng totoo, may makikita ka sa screen na safe. Perfect ba yun? Perfect! Itry natin yan! G ba kayo? Okay, go. Go G ako dyan since wala, naboboring na din ako dito sa Netflix. Go! G tayo dyan. Parang okay siya. Okay, G ako. Since matagal na tayo hindi nakakapag-banding,